Hello, good afternoon, guys. I'm using the rain repellent, which is improved visibility by repelling rain and sleet and snow. And these things you can buy from Amazon or any DIY store. 200 milliliter is cost you around £5.50. £5.50 in UK, and US might be $7 or $8, and this is very good. It is treated. When you treat it, rainwater will be like that, and when untreated, rainwater will be like that. So it's easy to show. I'll show you how to use it now. So before you do that, you make sure you clean your screen with a damp cloth and some water. Just pour some of this and take a brush and do it like this way. Just so, as you can see, it's very easy to do. So I'm doing other side. So I'm taking a little bit more. So this is a Ford Mondeo, and I did it very nicely. As you can see, that all places is filled up. So leave it like that. That's it. So when the rain water will drop, you will see how these things works. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, you share and see my next videos. So this is very easy, and this one will improve definitely your vision.